Hello and thank you for watching Redbeard Shaves. Today I'm going to do a software review, which is Lakewood Soap Company Smoky Mountain Rain. For the razor today, I'm going to use my Razorock Gamechanger 0.84. This has a brand new Polsilver blade. For the brush, I have Richman shaving brush with I'm pretty sure it's a 24mm Timber Wolf knot. Don't use a synthetic very often, but these are very nice knots. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the head. Hope you guys are having great shaves. I appreciate all of the comments and concerns yesterday on the lathering video. I know I hadn't been posting videos much recently. I've been pretty busy. Morris is here. I've had quite a bit of exciting things happening as of late. So we finally found our little slice of heaven. We found a home and have been going through the processes of getting the inspection done and doing the walkthroughs and all that stuff that comes with buying a new home. Excuse me one moment. Excuse me. And so that's been keeping me busy on top of picking up lots of overtime and picking out paint colors because I'm going to paint all of inside right before we move in. And just kind of getting all of that ready. So I haven't had a lot of dedicated time to do shave videos, unfortunately. Or I felt like if I did them, they just wouldn't be my normal kind of video. They wouldn't have my full efforts put into them. For this Lakewood soap, this is a really clean offering. Smoky Mountain Rain has misty green notes, ozone, violet, and earthy wood. And not in a bad way, but I get a little bit of a classic soap blend scent off of here. Like, I don't really want to say ivory soap, but there's some soap I've had in my childhood or youth that really makes me think of this soap here. But it's a nice clean offering. Lakewood soaps are made by Linda Morris in Jefferson City, Tennessee. They're a tallow-based soap. Tallow and shea butter are the main concocting ingredients within that. And this stuff is really, really good soap. Really slick soap. Very well priced. Linda doesn't offer aftershave splashes, but she does offer aftershave balms. So yeah, pretty excited. Gonna have our own little piece of heaven. It's a little 5-acre parcel. It's actually coming with 2 donkeys. Guess the current owners, it came from the previous owners. The donkeys were there from the previous owners as well. And they asked if we wanted to keep them, and donkeys are really good guard dogs. And I plan on having other animals there as well. I want to do feeder rabbits and chickens, and I want to have some goats. So, and they were nice mild-mannered donkeys. I could almost straddle them. I didn't realize donkeys were that short. So, very excited about that. Gonna have a nice big shop, so I'm be able to get into my woodworking and blacksmithing. Those are things that I enjoy doing on top of shaving as a hobby. And I haven't been able to break out the forge in over a year because of the move and having everything packed. So I am ready to fire that puppy up. I'm ready to pound on some metal. I'm ready to build some warm offering with some wood. It's going to be great. I'm trying to decide if I want to do what some of the other wet shavers are doing out there, YouTubers, and dedicate on, once we get all settled into the house, just a guaranteed days of the week for videos. I haven't decided yet. I kind of like the way I currently do it. But it had me thinking from some of the comments yesterday that maybe I need to come up with a little bit more regimented schedule. I don't know. What do you guys think? Some of the other shavers that you watch out there, do you like having it knowing that they release on certain days of the week? Or just whenever they release? Because I don't always just do 2 videos a week. Sometimes I'll do 3, sometimes I'll do 4. I think there's been a couple of crazy weeks that I've even done 5. Just kind of what I'm in the mood for. This soap has such good cushion and phenomenal slickness. Just love it. Loved it so much. I actually shaved with Lakewood yesterday. Those of you who followed me on Instagram will see that I shaved with Lakewood yesterday. Shaving with it again today because I just had to go back to it. One of the things about doing One Artist in October was that it really made me excited. While I thoroughly enjoyed my month of First Line Shave, made me excited to go back to some soaps that maybe I haven't touched for a long time, or some soaps that I realized I hadn't even used yet, this being one of those. And it was kind of like having a mail call without having the mail call. So it was pretty good. I'm happy that I did that in October. Go ahead and frost the top here. Wish I could put my finger on what soap from my childhood this reminds me of. I just can't do it. We have had this stagnant air advisory going for about a week now. Here in Oregon, I guess there's this high pressure air, something like that, that's creating this stagnant air in Oregon. So that has kept me extremely busy at work because it keeps all the wood burning and pollutants just kind of down at ground level. Doesn't clear them out. There's been a lot of fog. But because of that, people that have respiratory issues have been having a lot of difficulty. And this stagnant air advisory was supposed to end on Wednesday, yesterday, but now they've extended it through this next Tuesday. So hopefully that'll be clearing up soon. I'm expecting a very busy night at work tonight, mainly because of that. Starting to get positive flu cases in the hospital. So that's keeping me busy as well. And then for the little guys, croup season is in full swing. So I get all those little seal barkers coming in early in the morning, freaking their parents out because they sound like a barking seal. So, all age groups just having the breathing problems right now. That's good job security for me. Doing what I love. Don't know why I just flinched like that. Thank goodness I didn't cut myself. Really nice shave I got going on here. So smooth and comfortable. Also getting excited to have a real shave den again. not be searching for soaps in packing boxes. Little weeper above the ear. All right, gonna do a cold water rinse. Soap is so slick, it's hard to get the slickness washed off of there. Could easily do another full pass without any visible lather. All right, and I have some of the aftershave balm. Rub some of that in here. And the balm, I can really smell the violet that comes out in it. Quite nice. Very fresh, clean. Excellent shave. Nice BBS. No whiskers are left there. No residual hair. Just a nice, smooth, comfortable shave. Hope you guys enjoyed this edition of Redbeard Shaves. I sure did. Hope you're having an excellent shaves out there. And until next time, this is Redbeard out. Take care.